Welcome to my channel. This time I want to talk about Toshiba Rice Cookers. Toshiba Japanese Style Mini Rice Cooker, industry-leading 3D fuzzy logic cooking technology and intelligent 6-stage cooking process. There are 8 pre-programmed settings: white rice, brown rice, mixed rice, quick cook, slow cook, porridge, stir-fry, and steam, best to suit your preferred texture, taste, and aroma. 3 to 6 cups of seasoned rice, 3 cups of roll rice, is perfect for a small family. The voltage of the product is 110 volts. From busy urban youngsters to happy nuclear families, the Toshiba rice cooker is worth buying as it can prepare meals quickly and easily when needed. The programmable timer saves you waiting time. With a 24-hour timer, you can enjoy hot rice no matter how late you get home. Thanks to the intelligent fuzzy logic technology, you can enjoy even more delicious rice, such as white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, porridge, seasoned rice, and other grains. The 3-layer non-stick inner pot can extend the life and has excellent heat retention function. Digital LCD control panel, easy to use. Even beginners in the kitchen can use it with confidence. Multifunction, this mini rice cooker not only cooks rice, but also cooks a variety of dishes. Equipped with 8 cooking functions: white rice, pressure cooking, brown rice, mixed grains, slow cooking, porridge, cake, and egg. This mochi rice cooker also makes soup, stew, porridge, cake, etc. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this Toshiba 6-cup rice cooker offers great versatility and convenience. Extremely versatile, this small rice cooker can cook a variety of rice, including brown rice, jasmine rice, sushi rice, white rice, basmati rice, and wild rice, as well as grains such as oatmeal, quinoa, and millet. This 3-cup rice cooker is perfect for families and individuals who want to cook multiple batches of rice, yet is compact enough to fit comfortably on your kitchen counter. Fuzzy Logic Rice Cooker. This Japanese rice cooker can detect the moisture content of the rice and adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly. The result is perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time, without the need for manual adjustments or guesswork. The rice cooker also helps cook other grains and dishes to perfection by adjusting cooking parameters according to the specific requirements of the food. Easy to use, this 3-cup electric rice cooker features an intuitive control panel and features. The large LCD allows for quick and easy programming. The Keep Warm/Reheat feature keeps rice hot and delicious for hours, and the delay timer lets you plan your cooking up to 24 hours in advance. Included, measuring cup, spatula, soup ladle. The pot with non-stick coating is easy to clean, but dishwasher safe is not recommended. Wash with mild detergent and a soft cloth. The steam valve on the top of the lid can be easily removed for cleaning. The steam vent cap is also removable for easy cleaning. Safe, hassle-free cooking, detachable power cord prevents tangling accidents. Lid locks securely while cooking to prevent spills. Thermal fuse prevents overheating. Steam release cap keeps hot steam in while cooking. Auto shut-off feature turns off heating element when cooking is finished. Compared to other high-end rice cookers, this Toshiba model is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for a quality sushi rice cooker. Toshiba warranty. Toshiba offers a 1-year manufacturer's warranty after purchase. If you have any questions, please read the customer service information in the user manual. If you would like to purchase a Toshiba rice cooker, click on the link in the description. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.